Here we have a very simple line graph, and we can see that the coloring is definitely not in compliance with our branding here at CFI. It's just set to one of the default Excel color palettes, which we can just identify by clicking the chart. Then up in chart design, if we go to chart colors, we can see it's just set to one of these colorful palettes, which isn't really ideal if we want to have our charts looking sleek and in compliance with our branding. Fortunately, Macabacus can assist with this with just a couple clicks. Just select the chart under the Macabacus ribbon, then go into charts, and then under Recolor Chart, we can go Recolor Series to defaults, and we'll see very quickly Macabacus has recolored the chart series to our branding colors here at CFI. Anyone can customize their colors in Macabacus by going into the Settings dropdown under Configure, then right under Colors, under Format, you can see this option for chart series. So we have 7 unique colors set for our chart series, which have applied to this chart right here. And this is fully customizable. We have these colors actually pushed out to our entire organization so that everyone is on the same page and producing charts that are in compliance with our branding. These chart colors here, you can see this option as well. How this differs from chart series is chart colors are for the chart colors cycle functionality, which really changes the chart's background color as opposed to the series. So the series is what we're concerned with here. And if you want to add a color to the series, one can just press add color to this set. We have ours maxed out at 7 different colors. So say we had 8 series here as opposed to 7, like we had an additional one. The first color in the series would just be repeated, but one can of course just set more series going past the 7 that we have set up. So closing out, one can obviously see how this is advantageous to using the Excel color palettes. This is fully customizable. You can push it out to your organization, and it sure beats also just the manual way of changing colors, of right-clicking the series, going Format Data Series, and then changing the color here, in this case the line color. Macabacus makes things so much quicker and simple. We hope you find this one as useful as we do here at CFI. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.